Hello students, how are you? I hope you are doing well at home. So today we are going to make one new web page. I'm going to show you the design of that. So this is the web page which we are going to make today. But before this, let's read the question first. Create the following web page design in HTML and consider the following requirements while creating the web page. I told you in exam also the question will come to you like that only. Okay, you have to create this design which is given to you under that, but you have to consider this requirement while generating or while writing your codes. Okay, so here according to the instruction we will learn something new. Let me read the instruction first. The title of the web page should be web page. The background color of the web page should be green. The font used for the heading is Monotype Coursera with color red and size 7. This is the new thing which you are going to learn in this web page, which I or might be ma'am has not explained you earlier. So this is next is the image used for the web page is abc.jpeg. Next is the link. Click here to visit our website should be linked to https www.bitsandbytes.com. So this is also a new thing which you are going to learn this in this web page. So I think instruction is clear to you. Now let's start. Open Notepad bete. Now parallelly I am doing. So first of all HTML, then is a head, then is a title. Okay, what is the title of the web page? Is web page. So you have to write here web page because title always given in the title tag. Okay, then after that you have to close the head tag. Now the next one is the background color of the web page should be green. So how you will make the background color green? You have to use body tag space the attribute of body tag to make the web page color green, that is BGCOLOR. BG color spelling is always BGCOLOR is equal to the name of the color. Okay, you can give in the double quotes also or you can give without double quotes also, both way it will run. Okay. Now what is written over here? The background color, that means these both instructions are clear, are done. So you can tick over here. We have done these two instructions. Third one is the font used for the heading is Monotype Coursera with color red and size 7. If you see this, iska color kya hai? Red hai heading ka, and size for this is 7 and the color for this is red and the font used for this is Monotype Coursera. Dekho Rajay, if you see, if something is different, because earlier we are doing with the same color of the text, we are giving same size, but now if something is different, you want to give the different color to the text, different style to the text or different size to the text, we have the font tag there. Okay, font space, what is written over there? The font used for the heading is Monotype Coursera. If you see, these are the lot of fonts which are available in your Microsoft PowerPoint, Excel, Word, all. Okay, so this is the different writing style which you can give in HTML also. How? उसके लिए attribute होता है राजे font space face is equal to the name of the font. Name of the font क्या है? Monotype Coursera. Okay, make sure the spelling should be correct. Use double quotes. Double quotes बेटे shift के साथ use करने हैं. Press shift then double quotes. Okay, some students are simply putting this single. No, this is wrong. Shift plus double quotes जो shift के साथ डलेंगे. This one. Then the name of the font is MONOTYPE Monotype space CORSIVA. Make sure the spelling should be correct. Okay, or wherever I am giving the space, you have to give the space. Means you cannot write Monotype Coursera together. That will not be considered as a font name. So Monotype Coursera, the name is written over here. Also you can check here. If somebody feel that the spelling can be wrong, then you open your notepad, then you can see here Monotype Coursera. Okay, so you have to find MO, so you can use here this one. So available here, you can copy here from this. Okay, in that way there will be no mistake in spelling. But exam में तो आपको देख के लिखना होता है, so you can use. But I am doing here as a practically, so you have to write the correct. Okay, font face is equal to Monotype Coursera. Then the next one is the color. You can give color also, space color. The color is the attribute to give the red color. You can give in the without code. बेटा ये चल without code से भी जाता है, but it is my advice to you, if you are doing HTML, then each attribute, means font is a tag, face is the first attribute to change the writing style, then color is the second attribute, give one space, second attribute is equal to red. Then what is last one? To give the size. तो size के लिए हमारे पास size क्या है? 7. For the size you have to give SIZE. This size is in pixels. Okay, so 7 pixel. Okay, size 7. Then complete it. After that you can write here what is the text over here, bits and bytes. If you see bits and bytes, bits and space bytes. Okay, now you close the font tag, because this instruction will be affected to this only. So जब आपको instruction close करनी होती है, you have to open that with the particular tag, and after the content you have to close that text. So जो भी text इस font के open और closing के बीच में आ रहा है, that means these all effect will be going to this bits and bytes. Am I clear to you? Okay. So बेटा याद रखना, a tag can open with the attribute but never close with the attribute. This is, if you see this, there are 3 attributes we are using. One is a face, one is a color, and one is a size. But when you close that, you have to close only the font tag. That's it. If you see bete, it is in the center also. For that you can use align center also. 4th attribute, ALIGN, align is equal to center. Why I have given to you? Because if you see, the bits and bytes is in the center of the web page. Okay. Now for this, what is the next one? One instruction I forgot to mention, that is apply the color of the both horizontal rows should be blue. Okay, blue. Okay, so in that way you can use, if you see, there are both horizontal rows. So now the first horizontal row, for the horizontal row it is an empty tag, means no need to close this, we will use HR. But now they are asking you for the color also. So color हम देंगे COLOR is equal to blue. Okay, you can give without quotes also. Okay, so you see, color I used in this also, in this font tag also, in HR also. Does not matter bete. Whenever you use the tag, use the attribute with the particular tag, then it will work there. Means agar aap if you use the color inside the font tag, that means it will work according to the font tag. मतलब ये color जाएगा इस text के ऊपर. Now I am using the color with HR tag, that means the color will be affected to the horizontal row. Means whatever the horizontal row will come, that color will be blue. So clear? Now one paragraph is written over there. To write the paragraph, P. Okay, if you see the paragraph in the web page, that is properly aligned, means left and right there is proper margin. When you have the proper margin from left and right side, that means the alignment for this is always justified. Alignment is equal to justify. Okay, if you do the left align, the whole text will be left aligned. If you do the right align, then alignment nahi, only align. If you do the right align, then it will be right, text will be totally right align. If you give the center, then text will be center of the web page. Okay, but if you give justify, if it properly merge the text towards the left and right margin. So that's why I have given p align is equal to justify. Then you have to write this paragraph by yourself. I don't have the time. I am going to copy this, select from the design only, but paper में आपको लिखना ही पड़ेगा. Control C, then you can paste this. Control V. Now you see यहाँ पे वो आगे चला जाता है. इसमें ना font में word wrap on कर लिया करो बेटे. Then it will be on the same screen. Okay. Then P, close. Now you see I told you a tag can open with the attribute but never close with the attribute. So align here, the align is the attribute of P tag, which align your text to justify, but open तो हो रहा है attribute के साथ. But when you complete the paragraph, you will close only the P tag. Clear? Now you see Rajay. Next is a customer satisfaction is our motto. Customer satisfaction is our motto, is written over there, but is in B tag. So B, it's in the capital letter I am writing here. Customer satisfaction is our motto. ठीक है? But it is in the next line. To move to the next line, but when the paragraph finishes, it automatically move to the next line. So you no need to apply the BR tag here. So B tag close here. Okay. So that means only this will be bold. Okay. Now again, but before that there is one HR also. So you can apply the HR. So same code you have to copy, because you can apply the one horizontal row, so you can use the same one code. Okay, because one more horizontal row is there. So now you see the image used for this is, what is the name of the image is abc.jpeg. So you have to write the same name in the paper also. Okay, whatever is mentioned, img space src is equal to abc.jpeg. Okay, so now image source abc.jpeg, that's it. Okay, but it's in the center also. But याद रखना, if you want to make the image in the center of the web page, the align attribute will not work. जैसे font में तो align काम कर जाता है, in h1 also align will work, in hr also align will work. But if you want to make the image in the center of the web page, then align attribute will not work. So before that you have to give center tag. कि इस image को center में करना है. If you see in the design, तो ये center में है. So for that I use center tag, then the image tag, then you have to close the center. That's it. Okay. Now you see bete, after this there is a link. यहाँ पे लिखा है click here to visit our website. मतलब यूजर जब यहाँ पे क्लिक करे तो उनकी वेबसाइट पे वो चला जाए. What is the website link is given in your web page is https://www.bitsandbytes.com. देखो राजे, if you want to create the hyperlink, तो उसके लिए हमारे पास टैग होता है एंकर टैग. बोलने में एंकर आता है, बट लिखने में इट इज ऑलवेज ए टैग. ए स्पेस href इज इक्वल टू रेफरेंस. मैं आपको समझाता हूं ये कंप्लीटली. लेट मी राइट फर्स्ट, देन द एड्रेस, कंट्रोल सी. आई एम गोइंग टू कॉपी दिस. नाउ क्लोज इट. नाउ द नेम ऑफ द लिंक. तो लिंक नेम क्या है? क्लिक हेयर टू विजिट आवर वेबसाइट. दिस इज द लिंक कि व्हेन यूजर विल क्लिक हेयर, then it will go to the website of this that which is given to you. Then यहाँ पे link name है click here to visit our website. Okay, then you can close the anchor tag. A tag. देखो राजे, whenever you create the link to a web page, you always use the anchor tag. href stands for hyperreference, A stands for anchor, href stands for hyperreference. hyperreference मतलब एड्रेस, कि जो एड्रेस आप चाहते हो इस लिंक की क्लिक पे खुले, that will be given here after the href is equal to, in the double quotes, the address of the website which is given in the question also. If you see, so paper में भी ऐसे ही लिखना है, href the particular address which is given to you, which I copy paste here, then double quotes, then link name. After that complete this anchor. आफ्टर दैट बेटे यहाँ पे आपका लिंक नेम आएगा. लिंक नेम आपको वेब पेज में गिवन है, क्लिक हेयर टू वेब पेज. तो यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा भी हुआ है, द लिंक क्लिक हेयर टू वेब पेज, क्लिक हेयर टू विजिट आवर वेबसाइट. तो लिंक नेम क्या है, क्लिक हेयर टू लिंक आवर वेबसाइट. इट शुड बी इन द ओपनिंग ऑफ ए एंड क्लोजिंग ऑफ ए. इन बिटवीन यहाँ पे लिंक आ जाएगा, लिंक नेम विच इज रिटन ओवर देयर. तो दिस इज द लिंक नेम. Then you can close the anchor tag. Okay, so now our web page is complete, but you see which tag is going to left here for the closing. One is a body tag, one is a HTML tag. Now the whole coding of the web page is complete. So I hope this coding is clear to you, but how you will run this? For this bit, click on file, सेव एज और सेव दोनों कर सकते हो. क्लिक ऑन फाइल, सेव, और यू कैन यूज Ctrl+S ऑल्सो. यहां पे बेटे देखो, यू हैव टू कीप इट इन माइंड, योर इमेज एंड योर HTML फाइल should be in the same location. If it is not on the same location, then your image will not come. So I just made one folder for you, ऑलरेडी मेड. अगर आपको बनाना है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डेस्कटॉप पे क्लिक करो, देन न्यू फोल्डर. तो यहाँ पे फोल्डर ऑलरेडी क्रिएट हो जाएगा, बट आई हैव ऑलरेडी क्रिएटेड, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू सेव. मेरा डेस्कटॉप पे ऑलरेडी फोल्डर पड़ा है, क्लास 8 वेब पेज. दिस आई क्रिएटेड. आई विल ओपन दिस वेब पेज. इफ यू सी, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू गिव द नेम, से bits.html. .html is mandatory. Bits is the name of the file. .html is the extension of a file which is mandatory here. Without that, that file will be considered as a text file and it will not be implemented on the browser. So bits.html, I'm going to save this in the same folder. Now I'm going to run this from the particular location. Now you see bete, new, this is class, ये पढ़ा, दिस इज द फोल्डर. नाउ यू सी, देखो इमेज एंड बिट्स ये सेम लोकेशन पे है. अगर यहाँ पे इमेज नहीं होगी, सपोज ओनली फाइल इज देयर बट इमेज इज नॉट अवेलेबल इन दिस फोल्डर, देन इट विल नॉट प्रिंट यू द इमेज इन योर वेब पेज. So I just going to run this web page. If you don't give the extension of HTML, then this E sign means browser sign will not come, because the file will be treated as a text file which will not implement in the browser. So now I am going to open this. So you see image is not coming. Let me check, maybe any error or maybe the extension. So just wait a minute. देखो बात में प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. So class 8 web page. So I will use this path, whole path. Okay. So this whole path you can use also. You have to select this, then go up, then you can use. इसको पहले unselect करो बेटे, left है या right arrow से, then put backslash, then ABC. Now you see image आ गया ऊपर. तो इसको आप कॉपी कर लो सारे पाथ को, कंट्रोल सी, यहाँ पे बट इसकी एक्सटेंशन जेपीजी है, सो लेट मी चेंज फर्स्ट कि हम abc डॉट, यहाँ पे कहाँ इमेज डॉट जेपीजी लगा के देखते हैं, इमेज सोर्स, control S, I'm going to run this. So you see, actually extension is .jpg, that's why it was not coming. I have written jpeg, so extension is jpeg. So if it is jpeg in the question paper, you have to write jpg, that's all, but in the computer it is jpeg. तो यहाँ पे भी चलो चेंज कर देते हैं jpeg. So you see jpeg, now your image is coming to you. So I just run this web page, you see this, but if you see this web page carefully beta, this image is very big, okay, but in your web page design it is very small. To make this small, we have two attributes that you can use here. Space HEIGST height is equal to 50%. आप परसेंट में भी यूज कर सकते हो और यू कैन यूज इन दी पिक्सल्स ऑल्सो, बट आई एम टेकिंग इन दी परसेंटेज, तो लेट इट बी इन परसेंटेज. स्पेस विड्थ इज इक्वल टू 50%. I purposely didn't apply because I want to make you clear this. So दो एट्रीब्यूट है, हाइट एंड विड्थ. इमेज हाइट इज इक्वल टू 50% and width is equal to 50%. If you have not mentioned this, then image will comes according to your actual size. So now just see, I did a change, control S. To see the change you have to press F5. So you see the image is small here. Okay, so if you see this, यहाँ पे जो text है, you can use B tag, आप इसको break tag, if you see that break tag use कर लो यहाँ पे, BR tag. Here also use one BR tag. Control S, refresh. Okay, so after this, because देखो next it ignores the white space, so after this also use one BR tag to move to the next line. Control S, go to the browser, F5. So you see, but image is not in the center. Let me check why it's not in the center. Center spelling wrong हो गए हैं, CENTER. Now control S, you see it will come in the center. So now it is same according to your web page. This is, you see that, click here to visit our website. It is link. Now I'm going to click here. So you see, according to internet, it will go to the particular website. So you see, this is not the actual address of the site, so that's why nothing is happened. But you see the address whatever I written over there, it linked to that. ठीक है? So अगर suppose कर लो for your understanding, मैं यहाँ पे कर रहा हूँ, instead of that मैं कर रहा हूँ https www.google.com कि इसकी क्लिक पे वो गूगल खोल दे. So now you see, back, refresh the web page. Now I'm going to click here. So you see, अब इसकी क्लिक पे वो गूगल पे जाएगा. आई थिंक वो रिफ्रेश नहीं हुआ. एक बार हम पेज को दोबारा से खोलते हैं. कंट्रोल एस. This I'm going to close your browser window. Sometime it is not getting refreshed, so I'm going to open this again. So you see, click here to visit our website. So you see, Google पे चला गया, because earlier the address was bits and byte. आपने क्वेश्चन में वही लिखना है बेटे, whatever is mentioned in the question. For your understanding, that's why मैंने इसको Google के साथ लिंक कर दिया. Okay? So I hope this web page design is clear to you. Okay? I will send you the code as well as design in the form of a PDF. You can write the design and your coding in your web page. Okay? Design you just make as a dummy in the image, you put a box there or name of the image, that's it. Okay, design it and write the code for that in your notebook, so that in future it will be in your mind whenever you revise that. Okay, so please watch this video, understand the concept and implement at your side also. So thank you, have a nice day. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Thank you, bye bye.